just have a look at gold, silver, where they're sat at the moment in context to the moves we've seen on the US dollar so far. So actually, I've drawn it out all here, what we're essentially looking for potentially. This is gold at the moment, and we seem to be getting a very shallow retracement right now, which I'm watching to see whether this is just a bear flag formation, shallow retracement only to get sold back into for another leg lower. I'm wary of this level at the moment, below around the 1200 level, a bit suspect of this level as being a support zone at the moment. I suspect that if we can flush out this zone around the 1200 level and get a breakdown to around the 1180 zone, that could provide actually a really good buying opportunity. There will be a lot of stop losses on gold sitting below 1200. If we take out that zone of support, we could see a bit of a waterfall moment where we probably will see a lot of stop losses, the same as we saw when 1300 was taken out. And from there, that could actually provide potentially a good opportunity. Now, we are seeing at the moment the prospect of an interest rate hike in December getting priced into the markets. US dollar continues to rally on the verdict with Trump just winning the election. So with that, we have seen a lot of bullish sentiment on the US dollar. It is overbought, but right now it doesn't seem to have really the fundamentals to cause a sell-off right now. They're very much in favor of the US dollar at the moment, and we've seen continued strength even over this afternoon. Again, we've seen the US dollar surging back towards the 15-month highs there. So you can see at the moment sitting around the 100 level. We'll watch that carefully. If we can break out above that zone, close above it, there's more downside from the metals. If we just halt at this zone, start to reverse, maybe it's a bull trap, temporary break above resistance, then a reversal, then of course we look for support for the metals and ideally look for a platinum trading opportunity there as well. So just going back to gold right now, what are we looking at the moment? Well, I wouldn't buy gold right now at 1225, neutral, just sitting on our hands, waiting to see whether we'll get a better opportunity to actually add a position. Short term might be a bit more bearish here. We might see a move back towards the 1200 zone. If we do take out that level again, I suspect there's a lot of stops below this zone, which will get flushed out on a break below that. We could get a break below it and then a capitulation, which then would give a great trading opportunity. My indicators do suggest that we could get more downside, that rallies will get sold into on gold and silver at the moment, but we'll see how this develops over the course of the US session this afternoon.